Will you be my boyfriend?
What? What nonsense is this?
Will you be my boyfriend?
Me? Your boyfriend?
Yes. Tell me. Will you be?
Madam, why are you joking? Am I the only one you meet me to joke? You people only get a poor person to make fun of.
I'm not doing any joke. I'm saying true. Tell me. Will you be?
Where have you placed the camera? You are pranking me, right?
Hey, not at all. I'm saying true. There is no any prank. You just have to become my boyfriend for one day. In return of that, I'll give you 10,000 rupees and some good clothes as well.
Do we get paid for becoming a boyfriend?
You will get. I don't know about others.
No. I don't feel right about this. I don't want any money, nor do I want to be anyone's boyfriend.
Hey, I'm an innocent girl. What wrong I'll do with you? You are good looking, having good height.
Girl, the condition you are seeing of me is also because of that girl. I was not born poor.
Oh, she broke your heart. Same condition is with me. Just think that I'm asking for a help from you.
Okay. Tell me, what kind of help do you need?
First of all, I have to do your makeover. Come with me.
Let's go.
You're looking so handsome.
I feel the same today too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go.
Yes, let's go.
Where he is? Till the time he's not coming, at least tell me. What is your story? What happened with you?
I married the girl whom I loved and I married her. And after getting married, she fell in love with someone else. And after divorce, she asked me for 4 crores as alimony. And all in all, I did not have 4 crores. So I gave her everything I had: house, car, gold, everything.
Why you gave everything to her?
I made her my world. And she was everything to me. After she left, I didn't feel like living. I didn't feel like doing anything. I used to stay wherever I felt like, sometimes in a gurdwara, sometimes in a temple, sometimes on road.
It doesn't work like this. If someone leaves us, we can't destroy our life like this. And see, you will get better girl than her, and she will love you the way you love her.
She was the best for me.
You came.
Take this paper and sign it.
Come on, give me the pen. Baby, do you have pen?
Yes, I have. Who is he?
Oh, sorry. I forgot to introduce you. He is my boyfriend Sanju. Sanju, he is my ex-husband Vikas.
Not yet. I will be your ex-husband.
Excuse me? You have already signed. And now I have also signed.
And who is she?
She's the one for whom he cheated on me.
Really? You cheated on your wife for her? Are you blind or what? You are running after gold, leaving diamonds, man.
What do you mean by this?
I don't mean anything. I was just calling my girlfriend a diamond. And bro, thank you so much for you cheated on her. If you don't cheat on her, I won't get her. Thank you, man.
Baby, let's go now. We have to go on a date. And I don't want to sit here. I would like to enjoy my freedom.
Yes, let's go.
What happened? Now you're regretting why you left her.
No, it's nothing like that.
I can see it on your face clearly, Vikas. You are feeling so much jealous.
No, Bhabhi, it's nothing like that. I love you. Why are you getting so angry? Come on, let's go on a date.
I don't want to go anywhere with you.
Swarab, you listen to me, Swarab. Swarab. Swarab, listen to Swarab. Listen to me at least, Swarab.
Thank you so much for helping me. Here's your payment.
It's okay, but I won't take any money.
Hey, but I told you I'll give you money to do this work.
Hey, who takes money to help? And you are a very nice person and I like helping good people.
Okay, fine. Don't take money. But in return of that, you have to come with me for a dinner.
Yes, that's fine.
Friends?
Friends.